Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to collect the tech support logs on NCS 2K. A tech support log is required by a TAC engineer to debug issues. These logs can be collected using the tech support script. A TAC engineer provides the script that needs to be compatible with specified software version of the node. We run the script using the command mentioned here. Here, X is the shelf ID and Y is the slot number. To collect the logs for the entire node, mention X and Y as all. Open the command prompt and go to the directory where the tech support script file is saved. Use the lsltr command to list down the files present in the directory. After you enter the directory, run the script using the command mentioned here. Here, there is no need to specify the shelf ID for a single shelf node. We are collecting the tech support logs for all the slots in the node. Here, username is the username, password is the password, and IP address of the node is the node's IP address. When you run the command, it opens a prompt and asks to confirm the script to continue. Log collection may take a few minutes. After the logs are retrieved, you can go to the path and confirm that the logs are collected. Hope this video is informative. Thank you for watching.